Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling with another frequently asked question: what is a tankless water heater? A tankless water heater, also known as an on-demand or point-of-use water heater, is a type of water heating system that heats water only when it's needed. Tankless water heaters are much more energy efficient than traditional storage tank water heaters because they do not store any hot water. The water is heated quickly as it passes through the tankless unit, so there is no standby heat loss. In addition, tankless water heaters provide a continuous flow of hot water, so you never have to worry about running out of hot water again. There are many benefits to using a tankless water heater, such as they're more energy efficient than storage tank water heaters, up to 98%, continuous flow of hot water, compact and take up less space, and have a longer lifespan than storage type water heaters. If you're thinking of upgrading to a tankless water heater, or if you have any other questions about tankless water heaters, give us a call today. We are always happy to help. We look forward to working with you soon. Take care.